Hi everyone. Hi gang. Whew. So this morning I unboxed my Tumbler heat press and I recorded that part of it and I attempted to record me wrapping a tumbler and sublimating it in the press itself. But somewhere along the way we got disconnected. So this is a part two of what should have been just part one complete. So just bear with me, work with me, and let's go ahead and wrap this tumbler so that we can see how well it works in this press or how well I can go ahead and get the sublimation done. So let's see here. Let's see. So I see that some people use a lot of tape and some people use hardly any tape. But I am going to use just a little bit more tape on mine than most people would. I'm going to wrap some around the top just to make sure that there's no air bubbles in there. And I'll put a piece of tape at the bottom. I don't know, y'all. So I'm looking at this and I think that I have it wrapped pretty good. But we'll know when the sorry, sublimation is complete. Okay. So, oh, I'm so sorry for that. Oh, this is a bad morning for me to record. Okay, so according to okay, so according to the Operation Steps Guide, it says to okay, so I'm going to do this. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way, but I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to turn on the machine and I'm going to set it to 355 for 50 seconds. Okay. So see right here, y'all, I have it set to 355 for 50 seconds. Oh, this machine is heavy. I need to find a better way to record so that I don't have to do all this lifting. Okay, so I'm going to open the glove. Okay, so I'm going to put these gloves on because I don't know how hot this is going to be and I don't want to burn myself. So let's go ahead and put these gloves on now. And here I have made some butcher paper. So what I'm going to do is to protect the machine, I'm going to put this cup in the butcher paper like that. And once the machine heats up to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, then I'll go ahead and put the cup in there. It's at 300. This is my coffee mug my son-in-law bought me. It says thing number 2. His wife is thing number 1. And I love this coffee mug. Okay, so the machine is at 333. $3.46. Yes, 355. Okay, y'all, here I go. So I'm going to close this down and snap that into place. Make sure it's tight enough. Okay. And it's sublimating. I don't know if you can see that, but right now it's sublimating at 26 seconds left to go. So once this is completed, I'm going to flip the cup for another 50 seconds to make sure that the other side is totally sublimated also. Right, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. All right. Ooh, this baby is hot. Okay, let's flip that a little bit. And now let's close it again. We want to make sure the other side sublimation that it needs. Okay, and it's sublimating, counting down. So y'all, so I'm trying to get to a place where I can go ahead and just post something at least once a week. And there's been a lot going on, but now I think I got everything straightened out. So I'm going to try and post something at least once a week. And this way I can learn from y'all because y'all can tell me if I'm doing anything incorrectly or what would be a better way to do something. And hopefully y'all can learn something from me also. Okay, here goes everyone. Let's go ahead, have that all sublimated. This is hot. This is hot, y'all. So look at that heat. Oh, look at that picture. So I think it's sublimated because you can see the picture through the butcher paper. It looks pretty good. I'm concerned about this part right here, the same. So we'll see how that did. I think next time I'll cut my design just a little bit wider and probably do like an overlap instead of having that space there. But let's see how it turns out. Oh, so let's turn the machine off. I'm done with that for now. Let's go ahead and remove some of this tape. And let's see how well I did with this. It's hot. I don't want to scratch the cup, so I'm trying not to get too close. Let's see what I'm doing here. I can move this without scratching. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, I love it. So, so here we go. Here's the design. Okay, I love it. Yes, it came out beautiful. I think it came out beautiful. All right, thank you everyone for watching my video. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again. I hope to post something again very soon. Thank you and have a good day.